Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we are going to discuss the probability distribution. In this topic, firstly we are going to consider the binomial distribution. So before understanding the formula, before knowing about the formula, we all should know about this thing that when in which situations we can use this binomial distribution. So guys, here I am going to tell you about this thing first, then further I will let you know about the formula you can use whenever and in whatever conditions you can apply the binomial distribution. So whenever a random experiment we are going to repeat many times, but the number of times, the number of trials, if they are finite, then you can use the binomial distribution. And there should be only two possible outcomes. One you can consider as success and the another one you can consider as failure. Also guys, if I am going to talk about the trials, then they should be independent of each other. Like for example, if I am going to consider the tossing a coin case. Clear? So in this case, if we are tossing it once or we are going to toss it second time, then are they dependent? No. So they are independent trials. Done? Now, if you are having any trials of this type or the all three conditions are getting satisfied in any case, then you can use the binomial distribution. And what is the formula according to this topic, according to binomial distribution we can use? So guys, if any experiment you are repeating n times and you want to find the probability of getting the event A, okay, for r times out of that n. So you can use this formula that will be equal to NCR P to the power R and Q to the power N minus R, where N is representing the total number of independent trials, R is representing number of success. Okay, that means how many times we want that event. P is representing the probability of success in a single trial and Q is the probability of failure. So that's how guys, when you know all these things, you can simply get the answer for that binomial distribution based question. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, but still if anybody will have any doubt anywhere, you can tell me about that. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also I would like to tell you about one more thing, that is Unacademy Plus subscription. If you want to attend more regular live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSI or Net Physics exam preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription for that. By using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. You just need to write it as it is and no space in between. Spelling should be same. Also guys, there are so many Unacademy Plus courses will are going to start soon on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to attend their classes from the starting, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription you will get so many benefits like weekly quizzes, doubt clearing sessions, mock tests, PDF of important notes and the guidance by the top educators. So in this way you will be able to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the channel Mission Net Physics Exam. Also click on the bell icon after subscribing the channel, after clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and after clicking on the bell icon you will get the notifications for the new videos I will provide you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Thank you so much everyone. And yeah, if you want to know about the course structure of the Unacademy Plus courses, you can check them in the Unacademy Learning app. Thank you everyone.